Hello, everyone. I am your host, Samuel Richardson III, and welcome to the Affirmative Talk Show. I have some great news for you. If you are a business that meets three requirements that we're looking for, you have a great opportunity to get access to business funding. Yes, I said it. I've partnered with a company that can give you access to business funding. So it's something that I'm very proud of to be able to convey with you with this actual presentation. Okay, so United Wealth Education has the capital program for growth to give businesses that's been in business at least 6 months a chance and an opportunity to get business funding. And I'm gonna go over what business funding is for you. That we can provide for businesses, small businesses, or even bigger businesses. It doesn't really matter. So give me a second and we're going to go through everything. So why does SMB funding matter? It does matter in three main categories. Number one is that 82% of businesses struggle with cash flow as a barrier to their growth. When you don't have enough cash or you don't have cash to really to be able to get the items that you need, the products that you need, or to be able to scale your business, it becomes a problem for your business. So that's one of the reasons. The next one is 77% of businesses are declined by traditional banks. 77%. Now, last but not least, 83% of businesses are seeking short to medium term capital immediately. And these are why people like to connect with us because of the company who I've partnered with, that we could be able to help small or medium or big businesses to be able to get access to business funding. Now, how can we solve your problem as a business? UWE Business Funding provides access to a large network of financing partners with a simple and easy application to solve cash flow issues, which means number one, a customized approach for every business based on your business needs. Number two, higher approval rates. Number three, a combination of multiple financing products. Number four, expert advisors who negotiate with lenders on behalf of your business to get the best deal every time for you and your business. The last but not least, number five, more business funded, which means more businesses growing. And that's what we want to give our customers, to give you that access you need in business funding. So that way you could be able to scale your business properly and being done the right way. Now, there are the best funding options to meet business needs that we do have, that we provide for all of our customers who wants to grow their business, but they don't have the capital that they need. You're going to be getting access to all funding options through one application that you're going to fill out. You're going to be finding the right financing can take many hours of applications, phone calls, and weeding through fine print. We take the guesswork away by giving access to all possible types of financing from one simple application. So we're not going to take you through all these different routes and roads, and you have to be on the phone all type of hours and all these type of things. We're going to have one simple application to get you right to the business funding that you need. Okay, we get straight to the point. You can also trust that we have vetted networks of lenders competing to give you, the business, the best offers. We carefully select the highest rated and most trustworthy lenders to join our network. We also ensure that lenders fully understand our businesses and they compete to offer the best possible rates and terms for you and your business. Now, we have the best in class people and tech. Technology designed for efficiency in the process from start, when you start your application all the way to the finish line. Okay. The simple online application take as little as 2 minutes to complete, and the evaluation process starts immediately. Now, data is gathered automatically and information is packaged for lenders within minutes. World-class funding advisors dedicated to each business is in this process for you. We have a dedicated expert funding advisor that will get to know the unique needs of the business and recommend solutions for you and your business. They will negotiate with multiple lenders on behalf of you, the business, for the best possible deal for your business. Okay. This is awesome. So, we also provide a competitive advantage, which when you get a competitive advantage to get the best possible deal for you and your business, it's going to equal more closed deals. Wouldn't you agree? I do. Now, with UWE business funding, you're going to be able to understand your business and provide industry specific funding options that are tailored to you. This is what you're going to get with UWE business funding. Based off on traditional lenders, you get a broad, generic options, little to no understanding of your business. Now, number two, what makes us better than traditional lenders? We have expert funding advisors to simplify options and get you the best possible deal. We want you to understand and to succeed and make sure this is a win-win for you and your business. Based off of traditional lenders, they give complex contracts, complicated terms, no go-to person to help you through the process or answer questions. Take it or leave it, whether it's best for your business or not. And you don't want to partner with an actual lender that has this type of process. Okay. Now, number three, what makes UWE business funding with who I'm partnered with different from traditional lenders? We don't have no sales pitch. There's no pressure. We want the best option for you. So you can trust in the fact that we want the best for you and your business. Based off on traditional lenders, they always give that high pressure, that sense of urgency. You're just a number to them. Number four, there's no credit check. You heard me. In the business funding process with this actual partner I've partnered with, there's no credit check required up front. So it's risk free on your behalf. Based off with traditional lenders, you're going to get immediate hit to your credit report. Now, number five, we have one single contact, which is a funding advisor. There'll be actual schedule just for you, working with you across all options from the beginning to the finish line. Based off with traditional lenders, there's a nonstop phone calls and voicemails, oftentimes from multiple brokers. We don't want this for you. This is why we have a simple online process that we can walk you through with an expert funding advisor that's going to be able to create a solution so that way you can get the business funding that you need as soon as possible. Last but not least, flexible process and options for funding. That's what we provide. Based off with traditional lenders, they have rigid processes and oftentimes it could be no flexibility. Now, what business funding products are available? There, with the credit level, then you have funding amount, then you have available terms, and then you have rate range. So the product details, we have a term loan with payback over 12 to 60 months. We have a receivables advance where you get paid on future receivables based on historical revenue. Then you have a line of credit, draw from your credit line, pay interest only the days you maintain a balance. And we have many others. Now, one thing about it is that the credit level, let's just kind of go with that for an example. With the credit level, as you can see here with my cursor, you have the bank, which is up to 10 million. Then you have near bank, which is up to 5 million. And then you have SMB, which is up to 2 million. Now, the available terms is 24 to 60 months. Then you have 24 to 60 months with the near bank. And then it's 12 to 60 months as far as with us, SMB. Now, the rate range for the bank is 5 to 9% per year. With the near bank is 10 to 14% per year. And with us is 15 to 39% per year. Okay. And then we have the breakdown from the receivables advance from the bank. It's not even applicable with the bank. With the near bank, it's up to 1 million for available terms 6 to 18 months, and then a rate range from 12 to 20% per year. Based off with SMB funding with us, you get 2K to 750,000 funding amount, available terms 3 to 18 months, rate range between 15 to 39% per year. Now, you get also a line of credit. With the bank, it's up to 10 million, revolving available terms, 5 to 9% per year. The near bank up to 5 million, revolving 10 to 14% per year. At SMB, up to 2 million, revolving 15 to 39% per year. Okay. Now, what are the frequently asked questions that our customers have? Number one is, how long does the process take? Applications are just a couple of minutes to complete, up to 2 to 3 minutes. Funding can be done in as little as 24 hours. Okay. Now, question number two is, what will our business need to provide during the process? Depending on the product, we may request bank statements or other documents for a final closing. An expert funding advisor will work with you as business what is needed and answer any questions the business may have. Okay. Now, the last question is one of our frequently asked question is, will we have visibility into the applications and their status? Absolutely, yes. And you don't get this with banks, with traditional lenders, sometimes with some traditional lenders. Now, yes, accessibility to the status of the application can be provided. The UWE business funding team will be able to answer specific questions if you have any, okay? Now, here are the minimum criteria. Any business from small to large can get access to the needed capital as long as you meet these minimum requirements. Your monthly revenue for your business must be $8,000 to $10,000. You must be in business for at least 6 months, and your credit score must be at least a 550 with the credit score. Now, one thing I must convey to y'all, if this is something that you may let's say you may meet the monthly revenue of 8 to 10 and may meet the 6 months, but your credit score maybe be a little bit below, like maybe a 540 or 530. You can contact me. I have my contact details in the caption of this video, where you can send me an email at Samuel@creditpowerfix.com, or you can text me on the word business funding to 478-216-7989, and we can talk more in detail. And then, because a lot of times with the funding experts, they can provide an opportunity to be able to work some things out, so that way you can still get that business funding that you need. Okay. So I'm super excited. I hope you're super excited about this wonderful opportunity that me and my team have for you. We're looking to help a lot of people that are in businesses and they need the actual capital to be able to grow their business, because we know that's a lot of state that businesses in, particularly small business. And we want to be an outlet for the small businesses or large business, so that way we can continue to help you scale your business in a positive way. I'm the host, Samuel Richardson III, and thank you for joining me on this presentation of the business funding that we can provide for business owners like yourself. So I'll be waiting for your contact information. I'll be waiting for your phone call or email, and we'll get right into it. Okay. Take care and be blessed.